tayong nagbabalik. This is Arjun TV. So another sold out sa aming showroom. Ito ang Yamaha MIUI 125S. Find your dream, limited edition. So bago yan, bigyan natin silip ang ganyang specs, function at features. May pinagbago ba sa motor na ito? Tara, let's go! Kung magsisimula tayo ngayon sa kanyang engine type, meron siyang air-cooled 4-stroke single overhead cam at valve with the cylinder addition of single cylinder. Displacement naman niya is 125cc. Bore and stroke size, meron siyang 52.4 mm by 57.9 mm. So, sa kanyang compression ratio naman, 9.5 by 1. So, sa kanyang maximum horsepower, meron siyang 7.0 kilowatts at average 8,000 RPM at maximum torque of 9.6 Newton meter at average of 5,500 RPM. So, starting system niya is electric starter at kickstarter. Lubrication system with some fuel supply system is fuel injection. Clutch type with tri-centrifugal shock at transmission type of B-belt. Automatic frame type naman niya is underborn. Right, kanyang headlight is halogen bulb type. Turn signal left from right is bulb type. Napakasilaw. Masilaw pa sa inyong relasyon. So ito ang kanyang decals, reflectorized decals, stickers. Find your trip talaga at 3D emblem, MIUI at MIU emblem logo. Shout out sa aming si Chief Logas ng Alway RT Bungko. Shout out sa kanyang pinaka-power sa aming showroom. So, punta tayo ngayon sa kanyang harapan. Naka-single pot caliper, single hydraulic disc brake. At size ng kanyang gulong sa harapan is 70 by 90 by 40. So, tube type. So, napakaangas rin ng kanyang mags. Front suspension is telescopic fork. Ito siya. Meron siyang decal sticker pang tribal sign. So front fender, napakatigas nito. Hindi basta-basta may bibiyak. Mababasag kapag ikaw ay nabubunggo. Sa kanyang likuran naman, rear brake niya is mechanical leading drum brake. At size ng gulong sa kanyang harapan is 80 by 90 by 14. So tube type. Rear suspension is unit swing. So ito ang kanyang kickstart. Kapag hindi gumagana yung electric starter, huwag ka nang mangamba kasi meron siya ang kickstarter. Pillion rides. At side stand ang merong smart stand switch kung saan kapag sinide-stand mo ang iyong Yamaha MIUI 125S limited edition, mag-shutdown ang iyong makina. Ayan. So, punta tayo ngayon sa left side. Makikita ang high beam, low beam, turn signal left from right at saka horn. Tingnan natin ang kanyang horn. Napakaangas, napakalakas at back brake. At ito naman ang kanyang analog panel board. So dito makikita ang odometer, eco indicator, high beam, low beam indicator, fuel gauge, engine check indicator. So sa right side ang throttle, front brake at stop and start system at push start. So ignition system naman pala nito is TCI, transistor control ignition. Okay, napakatahimik na ng kanyang makina kasi meron siyang SMG, Smart Motor Generator. So, ito ang kanyang single hook kapag meron kang pinamili ng mga supot or malagyan din ito ng helmet. So, side by side, meron siyang pocket, side pocket. Merong malalim at mababaw lang. So, pwede itong malagyan ng resibo, coins, cellphone. So, ito ang kanyang redefined seat. Kahit naka-short or anong klaseng tila. Kapet na kapet. So ito naman ang grab M-shape grab bar. So ito ang kanyang luggage compartment. Kasya ang 5 kilong bugas dito. At ang kanyang basic tools, model ng kanyang battery is YTC6B. So fuel tank capacity is 4.2 liters. Daming liters. Right, sa kanyang overall length, width at height naman sa kanyang dimension, meron siyang 1,870 mm at 685 mm by 1,035 mm. Sa kanyang seat height is 750 mm. Wheelbase na merong 1,260 mm at minimum ground clearance of 135 mm. So, kapag ikaw ay may height na 5 flat, kayang-kaya mo na magmaniho ng Yamaha MIUI 125S Limited Edition. At nagtitimbang ito ng 92 kilos. Napakagaan lang. So, sa nais mag-cash installment dyan, Quick-Hitter Cash Installment Online Application. Punta lang kayo dito sa Yamaha Motor Hub Tibungko. Lock your trusted agent June Repolyo at ako ang bahala sa inyo. So that's all for today. Sana nakatulong ako sa pagbibigay ko ng idea sa inyo. Ride safe, keep safe, and always wear a 7 senses when you drive.